All right, so I did a quick video when I picked up the Nismo Pit from my friend when I was in Japan, but this time I'm going to open it up. So let me give you a quick understand, deal. The deal that from what I understand, I saw this online. I was like, I gotta have it just because I have the Nissan dealership from Tomica, and I also have a custom red stage dealership that I also got in Japan for specific um, Nissans. Red stage sells different certain Nissans, and then so does blue stage and whatnot. Anyways, when I saw this, I really wanted it, and I asked my friend. He told me that they were only online, and I believe this was at a special event at the end of last year, 2019. And so I was like, oh man, if you can get it, let me know. And what it is that you can only get them online, so you have to. I don't know how it truly works, but from what I understand, it's like they'll say it's sold out, and then you check out the online store, and you can buy it. And I think there's limit of two. You can only, so there's always kind of like a limit. I found that out with the Tomica Premium Blue Zenki F31 Leopards. Um, and then the other thing too is that when I was talking with Dustin, because Dustin wanted to get one of these, Dustin from Excite Video Magazine, he told me that sometimes you can go to the Nissan Nismo dealership and ask them because there's actually a part number. And this is the Nissan Group Genuine Parts miniature car. So this is how they come. Like I said, once my friend told me that, he was like, I got one, and I was like super excited because I'm a huge Nissan guy, just like everyone else. But let's kind of open this up. I kind of want to, like I said, be gentle too. That's, like I said, it's kind of cool that they have a part number. This is all right. This is a cut open deal. Stay away from opening the box. And this blade's been cutting a lot of models, so I think it's time I need to replace the blade. All right. Ooh, such a nice piece. Again, there's the part number. Kind of interesting. A toy has official dealership part number. And tape to the side. I'll do this side too. There you go. Wow, look right there. Oh, it looks like this added on. Tomica Town, Nissan Racing Team, Nismo Pit. There's the part number again. Look at that. This is a rip out too. I'm not gonna truly assemble it. I just kind of want to open it up and see what it comes with. All right, so there's all the Autech Nismo pieces. Here's the assembly. There's the assembly parts. How they put on the sticker. Yeah, just the whole assembly. Sometimes they always they might have two ways of doing things. So I'm just trying to see that, or like, you know, a different variation or something like that. That is actually pretty damn cool. Here's the stickers. Here are all these parts. There's that. There's a flag and a ramp. And here is the, oh, there's the clear plastic. And yeah, there's a ramps parking. So I'll probably put this together later today, but I just kind of wanted to show, you know, all these pieces. Wow, it's really just, cause I like it. You know, like I said, I'm a huge I'm a Nissan guy, but I'm also, you know, I'm also into these type of structures, you know, because they're licensed, right? Yeah, that's really cool. So anyways, that is it. Like I said, I'll probably do a follow-up video after assembly, and you know, I gotta make sure I do it right, because, you know, I don't have the super steady hands. I do have the GT500 Skyline, but I don't have the Motul Autech one. And I believe, I don't know if this is just online. I could be wrong. But I think there's like 3 versions of this car now. So anyways, that is the unboxing of the Nismo Pit